The 2026 Moto Morini X-Cape 1200 is a highly competitive and feature-rich maxi-adventure motorcycle that shakes up the large displacement motorcycle segment with a very aggressive price tag. Engine: the motorcycle features a revised 1187 cc V2 Corsa Corta EVO 87-degree V-twin engine. Power: producing 129 horsepower at 750 revolutions per minute and 77.4 pound-feet of torque at 7,000 RPM. It's significantly more affordable than established European and Japanese competitors, while also featuring high-end electronics and hardware. Designed at the Moto Morini Style Center in Italy and manufactured under China's Zhongneng Vehicle Group, it masterfully bridges spirited European performance with high-utility manufacturing. Superior terrain capability for long-distance asphalt touring and light gravel trails. Luxury electronics and equipment. Safety technology includes a 6-axis IMU driving lean angle traction control and Bosch cornering ABS. It also comes standard with a 7-inch TFT display, heated rider/passenger seats, heated grips, cruise control, a center stand, and a height-adjustable windshield. Standard rear-facing radar handles blind spot monitoring and rear collision warning. A factory-installed 1080p forward-facing camera logs rides via a dedicated mobile app. Fully adjustable KYB 48mm upside-down forks and a custom-fit rear monoshock provide 180mm of travel. It also features high-end Brembo monoblock radial calipers, clamping dual 320mm front discs. A smooth shifting 6-speed gearbox utilizes an up and down quick shifter and a standard slipper clutch. It features a 19-inch front wheel and a 17-inch tubeless rear wheel combination with wire spokes wrapped in Pirelli Scorpion Trail 3 tires. The sport setting offers a very direct and exhilarating throttle response. The engine produces a famously aggressive and loud production note, full of distinctive pops and booms upon deceleration.